Hey guys and gals, I'm going to show you how to make a vintage blonde console TV with Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's begin with a 1x4 plate. I'm going to set down a modified 2x2 plate with two studs right in the center. And I'm going to take another modified 2x2 plate with two studs. I'm going to place a round 1x2 plate right here. I'm going to set this on the left hand side. And for the right hand side, a 2x2 modified plate with two studs and another round 1x2 plate. Set this right here on the right hand side. And I want to lock all this together on the top with a 1x4 plate. Right here, a set of 1x1 plates. Set these as shown. And right in the center, I'm going to take a 1x1 brick with one stud. I'm going to place a 1x1 round flat tile right on that. Set this right here. This is going to give the back of our television a CRT cup. And then I want to crown off the top of this with a 1x1 plate and a set of 1x1 bricks with one stud in those two areas. And on the right hand side, a 1x1 brick and a downwards 1x1 by 1x2 angular plate. Now for a set of controls, a 1x2 plate. I'm going to place a 1x1 plate right on the top stud and on the bottom a 1x1 flat tile. That's going to be our little speaker. And then on the stud, a round 1x1 flat tile. I'm going to place this right on the face of our angular plate. For our screen, a 2x3 plate and a 2x3 flat tile right on top. Place that right on the bricks with studs. Now to form up the sides, take a round 1x2 plate. I'm going to place a 1x2 palisade brick right on top and a round 1x2 plate. I want to make two assemblies. I'm going to place these on both sides of our TV chassis. Then for the top, I'm going to lock this together with a 1x2 flat tile, followed by a 1x2 plate that's going to be used to attach our antennas, followed by a 1x2 flat tile. And right here, to strengthen everything up, a 1x6 flat tile. And two small aerials for a television antenna for the best reception.